up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel. I just first want to say thank you all to my new subscribers who came over and just subscribed to my little channel, which is growing, you guys. I'm so excited. I have over 2,000 people that want to follow me on my journey and what I'm doing here on this channel, and I just want to say thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. I thank you for watching my videos, for commenting, for giving me a thumbs up on my video, which helps get it out to other people. I just thank you guys so much, and I just want to say I love you all, and I hope that I can bring good content to you all, something educational, something important, or something that can help you along the way in your journey of life. But today, you guys, I'm going to be making a strawberry banana protein smoothie. I actually got this recipe off of this carton. This is the recipe here. Let me show you the recipe. This is the recipe, if you guys can see that. But I'm going to add, of course, my favorite protein to it and show you guys what it looks like and give you firsthand how it tastes. And of course, I'm using my BlendJet. You guys, this BlendJet right here is my husband's. I decided to use his today. It's white. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and make this and get started. So yeah, let's get to it. So you guys, these are the ingredients that I will be using. Of course, like I said, I'll be using my husband's BlendJet 2. I have some frozen strawberries, a little bit of pineapple, fresh cut pineapple. I will be using almond breeze, Blue Diamond almond breeze, almond milk, and of course my favorite protein powder, which is the Orgain organic protein. 21 grams of protein, you guys, and this is also plant-based, which is my favorite. But anyway, let's get started with the video. Oh, and I forgot to mention also a ripe banana. So the first step that I'm going to take is to pour 6 ounces of almond milk into the BlendJet first before I add my fruit. Next, I'm going to add my Orgain organic protein powder, and I'm only going to use 1 scoop today. And also, you guys, if you would like to try out this Orgain organic protein powder, I do have a link down in the description box. Next, I'm going to add in 1 small ripe banana. Now I'm going to add just a little bit of the fresh cut pineapple. If you do not have fresh cut pineapple on hand, you can use frozen pineapple as well. And last but not least, I'm going to add in my frozen strawberries. And just like I said with the pineapple, if you don't have any frozen strawberries, you can use fresh strawberries, whatever is your preference. So you guys, this is how it looks once I put all the ingredients in, and I'm going to put my top on and blend it up. Now that I have finished blending 2 cycles of the BlendJet 2, I'm now going to pour it into my handy dandy glass. Do you guys see that consistency? Yes, the BlendJet 2 will blend all of your fruit. And of course, as always, taste test time. You guys, oh my goodness, this is so good. You know, I really don't, to be honest, like strawberry banana smoothie or anything like that, but you guys, this is really good. Add in my protein powder and then put in a little bit of pineapple in it. It tastes really good. And like I said, this is the recipe that I use. I got it right off the box of this. So, and you can also put ground flax seeds or chia seeds, which I did not put in there. It's optional, or you can add sliced almonds, which was optional as well. I didn't have any. I would have did that as well. But you guys, this is really good. If you got a BlendJet 2, you should give this a try, or any blender that you have, to be honest. And give this a try. It's just a BlendJet 2. Like I said, it's more compact, and it fills it right up. This is a 16-ounce cup. You know, that's all I need. Or you can drink right from the BlendJet. But I just want to say thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you guys will give this recipe a try. Let me know in the comments if you do, and if you like strawberry banana protein smoothies, just let me know in the comments. Again, thank you all for watching my channel, for coming over and subscribing. Be sure to like this video, and also, like I said, comment down below and let me know, you know, what's your favorite smoothie. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one.